Timmy and the Magical Forest. Timmy was a little boy. He liked to explore new places. One sunny morning, he went for a walk in the big forest behind his house. The trees were tall and green. Birds were singing. Butterflies flew all around Timmy. Suddenly, Timmy saw a squirrel. "Hello, little squirrel," he said. The squirrel smiled and said, "Hello." Timmy was surprised. "You can talk." "Yes," said the squirrel. "This is a magical forest." "Wow," said Timmy. "What can I see here?" "Follow me," said the squirrel. "There is something special to see." Timmy followed the squirrel on a small path. They walked and walked. Soon, they saw a frog sitting by a pond. "Hello, Timmy," said the frog. Timmy smiled. "Hello." "Do you want to see the rainbow tree?" asked the frog. "Yes, please," Timmy said. They walked past colorful flowers and funny mushrooms. They saw a tiny house with a red door. Then they saw the rainbow tree. The tree was big and bright. Its leaves were red, blue, green, and yellow. "It's so beautiful," said Timmy. The tree sparkled in the sunlight. Timmy touched one leaf. It felt warm and soft. Then, the tree gave him a small shiny stone. "This is a gift," said the frog. "It brings happiness to kind hearts." Timmy held the stone and smiled. "Thank you so much," he said. "I will always remember this magical forest." The sun started to go down. Timmy said goodbye to the frog and the squirrel. "Come back soon," they said. Timmy walked home with a happy heart. At night, he looked at the shiny stone. He felt warm and safe. It was a magical day, he said. Then he closed his eyes and fell asleep with a big smile. Learn these important words: forest, squirrel, frog, pond, rainbow, leaf, leaves, gift, shiny, kind, happy, magical. If you like this story, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Tell us what kind of stories or videos you want to see next. We love hearing from you.